modern technology is so hidden away, to have things that are sort of more transparent, that you can see how they work, I think is, a lot of people find that satisfying. Look at that! No project. Traditional science museums all used to have large display cases full of mechanisms that work like this. And they rather disappeared in the last 20 or 30 years as things became more electronic and digital. So it's kind of funny to be putting them back. Most of the time, visitors can come up and they can twiddle one of the knobs, and one of the mechanisms will work, and that's linked to the character up at the top. And then on the hour, they all have to finish off their work on the numbers. So then motors operate all the mechanisms and all the characters all simultaneously. Here we go. It's going to start in a minute now.
On its own.
And then, once they've finished work, then the numbers all swing out to form the dial. And then the gong goes bong.
There's this kind of nice, really slow build. Is that intentional?
That was sort of intentional.
Yeah.
That's why I added the flashing orange light.
Oh yes, I love
I'm
the
not
orange
subtle.
light.
I love the way that all these gadgets now flash their presence,
Yes.
and so I thought, why shouldn't I go?